This is just this is my M3. As you can see, I've done a lot to it. I think after a while I might even be putting this up for sale, but I will be asking quite a bit for it because it's a one-off. Nobody's tried it before, so if you're interested, just check out my YouTube account. Keep track on me at Leaf0324UK. I also have a Facebook account which is RC Realm 666. Unfortunately, I'm more on YouTube lately, but if you want to upload your videos and of your own rides, RC rides, I'll be grateful. And not just that, please subscribe to me on YouTube and keep an eye on future projects. That's it really. I spent a lot of time and a lot of effort with different types of paints. I made this off the top of my head. I use a purple. There's a different scenario what other people were saying, you know, you don't use purple, use blue, use black. No. This is my design, so it's one. So hope you like it. Cheers.